Bud from Bud's Uppers, and today I'm interviewing Holly Filius with the law offices of Russell, Krafft, and Gruber. So we met Holly through the Southern Lancaster Chamber of Commerce, and she helped my mom set up their will and a few other things. So hi, Holly.
Good afternoon. How are you?
Oh, good.
Good.
So tell me about yourself.
Well, I live in Lancaster like you do, and I'm an attorney. I'm married to my husband, John, and we have two sons, Jack, who is 16, and Grant, who will be 13 in August. I'm a partner at the law firm of Russell, Krafft, and Gruber, and I practice in the areas of family law, adoption, estate planning and administration, and something called general civil litigation, which is general lawsuits. But my firm does sort of everything. So anything you need, we can help you with.
Okay. So why did you become a lawyer?
That's a really good question. It's just something I always wanted to do when I was very young. I don't even remember when I was first exposed to what a lawyer does or what a lawyer is, but it was very interesting to me. And I've always had a desire to help people. So being a lawyer is one way that I can do that on a daily basis, and it was a good fit for that desire. So that was the primary reason, and now I just enjoy it.
Okay. What was it like being a lawyer during the red phase, and what is it like right now since we're in yellow?
It's not tremendously different. Fortunately, my firm is pretty technologically savvy. So
right.
Our attorneys and our staff were able to work remotely from our homes. So we did that, of course, during the red phase. Our physical office was closed, and we all worked remotely. So we did what you and I are doing right now. We met with clients via Zoom meetings. The Lancaster County Court uses a similar application, but it's called LifeSize. So the court was holding hearings, but video conference hearings. Domestic Relations was holding support conferences on the telephone. So everybody just sort of adapted. It has been a little nicer now that we're in yellow, because we have been able for a few weeks now to be able to meet with clients to sign certain kind of documents in front of notaries with lots of precautions in place. We wear masks and we stay far apart from each other, and we sanitize everything and comply with all the CDC requirements. But we have been able to have a little bit of client interaction, which is nice.
Okay. So we moved to green on Friday, obviously. So what will change for you once we're in the green phase and some of the things you're looking at?
Well, the good news is we will be able to see clients a little bit more frequently. I have missed seeing my clients. I really enjoy working for people and meeting with them in person. We will have our actual physical office open on a limited basis. Of course, we will be working at a half capacity, so only 50% of our attorneys and staff will be present at one time in our building. And we will have appointments with clients as necessary. Some clients wish to have one-on-one, face-to-face meetings. We'll still continue to encourage meetings via Zoom or other types of video conferencing until things are even better. But for now, we at least can have some in-person meetings as necessary. And the court's allowing us to have more and more court proceedings in person at the courthouse. So we have a combination of more physical in-person court hearings at the courthouse, plus still continuing with video conferencing.
Okay. So last question, what do you love most about serving the community of Lancaster as a lawyer?
Well, being able to do things like this. So being a member of the Southern Lancaster County Chamber and other chambers and other community groups, you get a really great opportunity to meet wonderful people, wonderful entrepreneurs like yourself and your parents, and just being able to serve the community, being able to provide a service, be a trusted advisor for business people, for personal issues that people have, and to be able to be a problem solver and offer those services are very important to me. And Lancaster's a great place to do that. It's a very warm and close community that also has access to sort of big city things if you want them as well. So it's really the perfect place to be a lawyer.
Okay, well, thank you, Holly. So, yeah, this is Bud from Bud's Outburst. Thank you for watching.
Thanks, Bud. Take care. Bye-bye.
Bye. Okay, so,